Wake up. Before your eyes are fully open, muscle memory takes over. You reach out, feeling for the cold glass of your phone. The screen lights up, and instantly, a barrage of text messages, emails, and news alerts floods your vision. Your brain hasn't even processed what day it is, but it's already digesting the demands of the entire world. Biologically, you are abruptly forcing your nervous system out of a resting state. In a matter of seconds, your heart rate elevates and your brain shifts into a reactive, high-stress posture. This immediate influx of information creates a state of digital overload. Instead of waking up on your own terms, you are instantly overwhelmed by everyone else's priorities. Your mind actually requires a gradual transition into wakefulness. A peaceful, low-stimulation environment allows your cognitive functions to come online smoothly. Surrendering these initial moments places you in a reactive state before the day has even begun. When the first thing you process is a list of external demands, you forfeit the ability to dictate where your mental energy goes for the rest of the day. Step 1 is treating the space where you sleep as an offline zone. To break the waking cycle, your bed can no longer be a place where technology lives. If you use your phone as an alarm, the only authorized action when it rings is swiping to turn it off. Keep your eyes away from the center of the screen. Silence the noise and immediately stop touching the device. The trap is the lock screen itself. If you let yourself read even a single notification, the compulsion to unlock the phone takes over. Placing it face down removes that visual trigger entirely. Out of sight means out of mind. By physically hiding the screen, you eliminate the flashing lights and bold text designed to hijack your attention. Now, get out of the bedroom. Move to a different chair, the kitchen counter, or a spot near a window. You need a dedicated physical space away from your mattress to execute the rest of your morning routine. If you need to know the time, use a wristwatch, a wall clock, or an appliance timer. You must rely on tools that don't offer an internet connection or a newsfeed. Willpower is usually lowest right after you wake up. Physically distancing the device builds a geographical barrier, making it mechanically harder for your ingrained habits to sabotage your morning. As soon as your feet hit the floor, your timer starts. You are committing to exactly 20 minutes of a completely phone-free environment. This chart compares morning trajectories. Phone use causes a red stress spike. Delaying maintains a steady blue baseline. At 20 minutes, highlighted here, you clear sleep inertia and branch into daily obligations. This window must remain blank. No podcasts, TV, or weather checks. At first, sitting without external input will feel uncomfortable. Your brain is used to constant stimulation, so the silence might briefly make you feel restless. Pushing through that initial discomfort serves a purpose. Enforcing this precise time boundary trains your brain to delay gratification, lowering your baseline anxiety for the hours ahead. The goal now is to occupy your body just enough so that your mind doesn't wander back to the phone sitting on your nightstand. Option 1 is deliberate deep breathing. Take a slow inhale, hold it briefly, and let it out. This grounds your attention in a physical sensation. When you focus all your mental bandwidth on the mechanics of air entering and leaving your lungs, there is no room left for your brain to generate anxiety about unread emails. Option 2 is light stretching. Simple movements like rolling your shoulders or reaching for your toes wake up your muscles without requiring any high-level cognitive effort. Option 3 is simply sitting quietly. Hold a glass of water, look out a window, and just exist peacefully in your present environment. The critical mistake here is trying to mentally map out your workday. This is not the time to run through your to-do list or stress over upcoming meetings. Actively committing to one of these low-stimulation physical actions bridges the gap. It keeps you present and solidifies your calm state until the 20 minutes are up. Your timer goes off. The 20-minute boundary is complete. Take a moment to assess how you feel. Notice the quietness in your mind and the steady rhythm of your breathing. Compare this clarity to the rushed, reactive panic of waking up to a glaring screen and a dozen urgent messages. You are now starting from a position of control. Now you can safely pick up your phone. You can open your inbox, check the news, and begin your daily tasks intentionally. Mastering these first 20 minutes builds a reliable buffer between you and the demands of the outside world. It protects your mental energy, setting the tone for a highly focused and productive day.